right, ladies, gentlemen, graphic designers, vector designers, we're going to do the Pear challenge. We're going to continue on with that. So we're going to go to our folder. So remember, we're going to our folder with our name on it, our personal Novell folder, Creative Computers. And then inside the Creative Computers, there's this vector design folder, and we're going to go to O3 and get started with that. Okay, so let's make this full size. We're going to go to our zoom tool here. We're going to zoom in a little bit. All right, and so what I want to tell you is I want you to remember that the pen tool can make both straight lines click, 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 and I'm going to hit delete, but it can also make nice, beautiful Bezier curves, and so we're going to use that. So what I want you to do is I want you to go to the anchor point, and I want you to click and drag straight up, because in order to make this curve right here, we have to throw our rock or rubber band straight up. So we're going to go straight up, and I'm going to do, here's what I'm going to do, by the way. So see, I wanted to go straight up, so I'm going to hit the shift key, and it constrains it to go straight up. So I'm going to hit shift, and I'm going to drag up, release. And then I'm going to click, and I'm going to drag straight down. And by the way, that's way off, but I'm going to go back and fix it, release. So I'm going to click, drag straight up, release, click, drag straight down, release, click, drag straight up, release, and I'm going to click, drag straight down, release, and then see how it wants to keep on going. Okay, don't do that. So I'm going to press Control plus Z to undo that. So what I want to do is I'm going to press Control and click off of it to be done drawing. Okay, now so let's do this. Let's change the. Let's select it. We're going to go to the selection tool. We're going to click on this, and we're going to change the color. We're going to click on the palette here, and we're going to change the stroke color, and we're going to change the stroke weight. And you can't see those changes until I go View Preview. Okay, and so that looks good. Now, the problem is this part is ugly. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to go to my Direct Selection tool, and I'm going to click on this anchor point, and then I'm going to drag this down, and I'm going to click on this anchor point, and I'm going to drag this straight down. And by the way, see how it's going wonky again? I'm going to hit shift and constrain it to go straight down. So something more like that. So you can, after you're done, you can tune up, or tune down, or tune your thing. Actually, that needs to go back up a little bit. Okay, something like that. Okay. All right, let's try it again. Let's try it again. One more time again. So actually, let's do it down here. Okay, so we're going to go to our pen tool, and we're going to click, and we're going to drag straight up, and we don't want it to go all wonky like this, so we're going to hit shift and just go straight up. Okay, and then see that little green line? We're going to come over here, and we're going to be lined up with it, and we're going to click, and we're going to drag straight down. And if I want it to be constrained, I'm going to press on the shift key, and it'll constrain it straight down. So, and see, I'm going to pull it down until that upper handle, see how the upper handle is past the other one? The upper handle is below the other one, and then right there, they're even. So I'm going to do that. And then I'm going to come over here. I'm going to get lined up, click, drag straight up, release. I'm going to click, drag straight down, release. Click, drag straight up, release. Oh, I'm supposed to do another one. Okay, so I'm going to come over here, and I'm going to click, drag straight down, release. And it looks pretty good. If I want to fine tune it, I can click on the Direct Selection tool, click off, grab one of the handles, and I can move it over. I can adjust it that way if I want. Okay. All right, give it a shot, and as usual, do not leave this poor guy wearing a butt cap. That's terrible. Give him a round cap. And that's it for this one. That one's tricky, so you're going to probably need some help from me on that one. So give it the best shot that you can, and make sure, please, save. File. It's already in the right location, so we just have to hit save and click yes. Okay, that's it for this one. Let's go on to the next one.